Hey guys, it's Steez. It's time for another rousing edition of a car mukbang. I have my lighting set up, and oh yeah, by the way, a full face of glam with I forgot to take the clip out of my hair, but I was like, I might as well just kind of keep that little snooky poof happening or whatever. But it's a Subway mukbang. I got a foot long or whatever, and I actually got yes, it is Subway, as you can see. I got a meatball marinara. And then my order is insane. It's basically like a pizza, but just like the sandwich version of a pizza. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'll just walk you guys through it as I eat it, I guess. But like, I'll let you guys get a really good visual of that. Like, really let that sink in for a minute. Yeah. But okay, so. Oh my god. And I know that like Subway bread's made out of yoga mats, but I mean, yoga mats taste so good, right? If that's true, I have eaten so many yoga mats in my lifetime. So good. Oh yeah, back to what I was telling you guys. I get meatballs, marinara, mozzarella cheese, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, ranch, oregano, salt, pepper, oil, and vinegar. So yeah, and on Italian herb and cheese bread. So it's pretty much just like a supreme sub sandwich pizza. What do you guys think of this look? I'm just curious. Big bite. But comment down below. Let me know. Do the combinations and of ingredients on this sandwich and bread and everything that I described to you guys sound awesome or disgusting? I'm curious. I'm genuinely curious. Let me know. I didn't even bring a plate out here or anything. Like, actually, just the wrapper came in. What are you gonna do? I live across the street from a Subway. In retrospect, I probably should have brought a paper towel. But what are you gonna do? Taking like 6 bites, I swear. Footlong subs have gotten bigger. Maybe that's a Mandela effect. Oh no, I'm aware. My sweater is stained up. It's the vintage Old Navy hoodie from the 80s that was passed down to me. It's what I do my makeup in. So, sometimes I wear it too just because it has sentimental value, but it's not all dirty. I just got it out of the clean pile in the laundry basket, but just a little forward one. But you get, like, oh my god, when I do that, check out the gold pigment in my eyes. Beautiful. I've never gone that golden before. With such a baby pink soft lip and soft highlight, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe the bronzing and the really stark bronzing, but not just the bronzing, the stark bronzing and blushing, and highlight. I don't know, the highlight. The more I look at this, I didn't really look at it as much as I normally do because I'm trying not to be so vain and shallow. But I'm just growing as a makeup artist with every video that I make, and I learn new techniques and stuff, and new brushes to use, and at what angles to use those brushes and things of that nature. Excuse me. If you're a fan of my channel, or you're a viewer of mine, etc. Regardless of your being here. Oh, excuse me, I'm sick. What was the point I was trying to make is, I had the sniffles in the past, like, 3 or 4 days. Really sore throat. I've been coughing like crazy. I've taken some antibiotics. It's done absolutely nothing. It's like I'm face-tuned from this angle. It's actually just sweet tea from a gas station sweet tea. Which is my go-to whenever they're out of ginger ale, which they currently are. Oh my god. Okay. Call me mukbang failure. A mukbang phony. A mukbang hypocrite, whatever. But as I previously mentioned, I ate the other half of the sandwich, like, an hour and a half ago. So in retrospect, probably shouldn't have done that. But I think a little messy part is cute. Maybe one side behind the ear. And one side not so much. God, I really need an eyebrow left. And a hair transplant, like, down here. I don't have a receding hairline, like, you know, baldness skips a generation, so it's like my uncle and my dad are going bald, but, you know, so it's not going to happen to me already. You know, I mean, it would have already happened. I'm going to be 28 this year. But, yeah, what do you guys think about my incorporating beauty and beauty guru things and, you know, whatever, incorporating beauty into mukbangs and incorporating ASMR into beauty and incorporating mukbangs into ASMR, you know, etc. Honestly, I'm curious, as a creator and as somebody that is still only 3 months into this thing they call YouTube. But, thank you so much for watching, especially if you're a cheesehead or a cheeseburger. And if you are, then you already know, like, obviously, like, who I love and why I love them and who I love so much. And those people are you. And who does Cheeseburger love? He loves his cheeseburgers. Until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Thanks for being here.